Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Equifax calculates credit scores. Equifax, like other major credit bureaus, uses a scoring model to generate your credit score based on the data in your credit report. It's important to know that you don't have just one score, as different scoring models exist, such as FICO or VantageScore, and they all use the data reported to Equifax. The calculation is generally broken down into several key factors. First is payment history. This is typically the most important factor. Equifax looks at whether you pay your bills on time. Late payments, bankruptcies, or accounts sent to collections will significantly hurt your score. Consistent, on-time payments are essential for a good score. Second is amounts owed, often called your credit utilization rate. This measures how much of your available credit you are actually using. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit limit and you owe $3,000, your utilization is 30%. Keeping this percentage low, ideally below 30%, is crucial for a strong score. Third is the length of credit history. This factors in how long your oldest and newest accounts have been open, and the average age of all your accounts. A longer history of responsible credit use is generally seen as favorable. Fourth is credit mix. This considers the different types of credit you have, such as revolving credit like credit cards, and installment loans like mortgages or car loans. Successfully managing a variety of credit types can positively impact your score. Finally, there is new credit. This looks at the number of new accounts you've opened recently and the number of hard inquiries on your report. Opening many new accounts in a short period can be viewed as a higher risk by the model. In summary, your Equifax credit score is a dynamic number reflecting your overall financial behavior. Focusing on making all payments on time and keeping your credit card balances low are two of the most effective ways to build and maintain a strong score. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.